reminded. And in fact, he wants to remind the next generation that in the days of our youth, as we have children, okay, these are like arrows. Okay? Ang atong mga anak, mura-mura sila mga panak. Amen? A warrior, okay, during those times, the lethal weapon na ginagamit sa pag-away in warfare, karon ano, mga missiles, sa Israel, mga missiles, at sa Iran, mga missiles, o mga bala. Sa unang panahon, ang pinaka-effective, pinaka-potent, husgan, o pinaka-hadlok na weapon is not the sword actually. Because makita siya nimo. Matansya siya nimo because ang speed sa sword o ang arrow magkaiba. But the most potent is an arrow. Amen? Arrow, because layo kaayo ang imong kalaban, niya kung makaigo siya nimo, it will have a tremendous effect. It will kill a person. Now, why did Solomon remind us that naingon siya din, balik ko na ko, like arrow in the hand of a warrior are children born in one's youth. Now this afternoon I will remind ini si Riley o iyahang wife o ang mga inahan o kamahan nga naa diri karon how to train our child like an arrow. Amen? Because child education, when we talk about child education, when we talk about child education, dedicating your child or giving your child